Hello everyone, welcome back to your maths class. Students, today we are starting with the question number 10 of exercise 7a. In question number 10, they said to solve the equation and this is the equation, right? So, this is 3 upon x plus 1 is equals to 5 upon 2x. So, what you will do here, you will cross multiply them, right? This 3 will be multiplied by this 2x. 3 multiply 2x is equals to this 5 will be multiplied by this x plus 1. So 5 multiplied by x plus 1, right? We have two terms here, so enclose it into the bracket, right? Now 3 2s are 6x is equals to, this is the distributive property, multiply this 5 with this x, 5x plus multiply this 5 with this 1, 5 ones are 5. Now keep the variables to the left, this term having variable, so keep it to the left. 6x, after moving to the left, this 5x will be of minus sign, so it will be minus 5x is equals to 5. So 6x minus 5x is x, which is equals to 5, right? So this is your answer, right? Next, question number 14, again cross multiply this by this, right? 0.4z minus 3 इस होल को मल्टीप्लाई करना है बाय 5, क्लियर? इक्वल्स टू मल्टीप्लाई दिस 7 by this expression, which is 1.5z plus 9. Why I am enclosing it into the bracket? Because we have two terms in it, right? So we will multiply this 7 by this and this. Similarly, this is also distributive property, right? Because we are multiplying 5 by this whole. So multiply this 5 by this and this. So 0.4 multiply 5. 5 4s are 20. 5 zeros are 0, 2. So this is 2.0, or you can write just 2z minus 5 will be multiplied by this 3. So 5 3s are 15 is equals to 7 multiply 1.5. 1.5 को multiply करना है by 7. So 7 5s are 35. 3 7 1s are 7 plus 3 10. We have one decimal place, so put decimal here. So this is 10.5 and then set plus 9 7s are 63. Now keep the terms having variable to the left and constant to the right. So 2z, after moving to the left, this 10.5 will be of negative sign, right? So right here minus 10.5z is equals to, on right hand side we have 63, after moving to the right this 15 which was of minus sign will be of plus now. Now solve this part. 2z is of plus sign and 10.5 is of minus sign, so we will subtract them. 10.5 में से subtract करो 2. 2 is the whole number, so this will be before decimal. You can also write it as 2.0. So subtract, what do you get? 8.5. So mention here 8.5z and this will be of negative sign because greater numeral was of negative sign, equals to 63 plus 15 is 78. Now you want to find the value of this z, right? So you will move this minus 8.5 to the right. So z is equals to 78. Here this minus 8.5 was in multiplication. After moving to the right, this will be in division, right? Division means in denominator, right? Minus 8.5. Remove decimal 1. After decimal there was one digit, so put 10. This is equals to 780 minus sign upon 85, right? Now when you will divide it, जब आप इसको कट करेंगे, it will become minus 9.18, right? So this is your answer. Next, question number 17, again multiply this by this 2y माइनस 4 को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं बाय 3 इक्वल्स टू मल्टीप्लाई दिस -2 बाय -2 को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं बाय 3y plus 2, right? Now this is like distributive property, so multiply 3 by 2y, 3 2s are 6, y multiply 3y minus 4, 3 4s are 12, and this will be of minus sign equals to multiply this -2 by 3y, 3 2s are 6 of minus sign y, multiply this -2 by 2, 2 2s are 4, and odd number of times minus sign, so this will be of minus. Now keep the variables or terms having variable to the left and constants to the right. So write here 6y, after moving to the left minus 6y will become plus 6y is equals to, on right hand side we have minus 4, after moving to the right minus 12 will become plus 12. So these are of same sign, add them, 6 plus 6 12y equals to, these are of different sign, right? So we will subtract them, 12 minus 4 8, and sign will be of greater numeral which is plus, right? So plus sign hota hai, no need to write it. Now 12y means 12 multiply y, right? And you want to find the value of y की value find out करनी है. Move this 12 to the right hand side, 12 को move कर देंगे. After moving to the right hand side, this will be in division because previously this was in multiplication. So division means आप denominator में लिख सकते हैं. Now this numerator and this denominator both are divisible by 4. 4 2s are 8 or 4 3s are 12. So what you are getting? Y is equals to 2 upon 3. This will be your answer. Next question number 18. Again multiply this whole. इस whole को multiply करते हैं by this 20, right? X upon 4 minus 3 upon 5 को multiply कर देते हैं by 20, right? Equals to multiply this by this minus 3, ठीक है? 4 upon 3 minus 7x multiplied by minus 3 से multiply करना है. So use distributive property here. Multiply this 20 by this x upon 4. x upon 4 से multiply करना है 20 को, minus multiply this 20 by this 3 upon 5. 20 को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं? 3 upon 5 से. सो 20 को मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया 3 upon 5 से, इज इक्वल्स टू मल्टीप्लाई दिस -3 बाय दिस 4 upon 3. -3 को मल्टीप्लाई करना है बाय 4 upon 3, राइट? मल्टीप्लाई दिस -3 बाय दिस 7x -7x. So 3 7s are 21x and minus plus. Now this 4 and this 20 both are divisible by 4, so cut them. 4 1s are 4, 4 5s are 20, right? 5 4s are 20, 3 1s are 3 of minus sign. Now this part become 5 multiply x, so write here 5x minus this part becomes 4 multiply 3, 4 3s are 12 is equals to, this part becomes 4 1s are 4 of minus sign, so this is -4 plus 21. This is 21x. Now move the terms having variable to the left and constant to the right. So this becomes 5x minus 21x is equals to, on right hand side we have -4. Now after moving to the right hand side -12 will become +12. Now 5x minus 21x both are of different sign, so these will be subtracted. 21 minus 5 is 16, variable x, and sign will be minus y because greater numeral has minus sign equals to, these are of different signs, so these will be subtracted. Subtract them. 12 minus 4 is 8 and sign will be plus, right? Now this is minus 16x. It means minus 16 multiply x. So keep it to the left and move this minus 16 to the right. After moving to the right, this minus 16 will be in denominator. So what it becomes now? 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16 of minus sign. This is also equals to minus 1 upon 2, right? So this is your answer. Next question number 19. Multiply this whole numerator by this 3, right? होल न्यूमरेटर को मल्टीप्लाई कर देते हैं बाय दिस 3. सो 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है टू दिस 2x प्लस 3 माइनस 5x माइनस 7 is equals to multiply minus 8 by the whole denominator, which is 6x plus 11. Now 3 multiply, first of all solve the inner bracket. 2x plus 3, outside the bracket we have minus sign, so sign of all these terms will be changed, change हो जाएंगे, right? So now this will become minus 5x plus 7, right, is equals to, multiply this minus 8 by this 6x. 6 8s are 48 of minus sign x, minus 8 multiply 11, 8 11s are 88 of minus sign. Now 3 multiply 2x is of plus sign, 5x is of minus sign, right? So these are of different signs, so subtract them. Minus 3x, 3 is of plus sign, 7 is of plus sign, so it will be plus 10, right, equals to minus 48x minus 88. Now multiply this 3 by this and by this. 3 3s are 9, x of minus sign plus 3 10s are 30 equals to minus 48x minus 88. Now move the terms having variable to the left and the constant to the right. Okay, so this becomes is equals to minus 88 minus 30. 48 minus 9 is 39. X is equals to, these are of same sign, so these will be added. 8 plus 0 8, 8 plus 3 11 and sign will be negative. 39x means 39 multiply x. You want to find the value of x, so move this to the another side. After moving to the another side, this will be in division, it means in upon, right? So your answer is minus 118 upon 39. Now question number 21 is 4 plus x into 5 minus x upon 2 plus x into 7 minus x is equals to 1. So multiply, cross multiply, you can put 1 here, right? So multiply 4 plus x into 5 minus x by 1, right? 1 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देते हैं, equals to multiply by 1 to this 2 plus x 7 minus x, multiply कर देते हैं. Now when you multiply any number by 1, it remains same, so this is equals to 4 plus x 5 minus x is equals to 2 plus x 7 minus x. Now multiply this 4 by this whole expression. So write here 4 multiply 5 minus x. Similarly multiply x by this whole expression. x को भी multiply करते हैं 5 minus x से, equals to multiply this 2 by this whole expression. So 2 multiply 7 minus x plus also multiply this x by this whole term. x को multiply करते हैं by this 7 minus x. Now again distributive property, 4 5s are 20. 4 multiply minus x minus 4x plus x multiply 5 5x, x multiply minus x minus x square equals to 2 multiply 7 14, 2 multiply minus x minus 2x plus x multiply 7 7x, x multiply minus x minus x square. Now simplify it. 20 minus 4x plus 5x, both are like terms because दोनों में variable x है and sign are different, so these will be subtracted. 5 minus 4 1x and sign will be of greater numeral which is plus, so put plus sign here. Minus x square equals to 14 minus 2x plus 7x, both are like terms but the sign are different, so these will be subtracted. Subtract them. Plus 5x minus x square. Now keep all the terms having variables to the left. दोनों को लेफ्ट में ले जाते हैं, right, and move this constant to the right. इसको constant को right में ले जाएंगे. Clear? So right here 1x minus x square. When this 5x will move to the left hand side, it will become of minus sign, and when this minus x square will move to the left side, it will become plus x square is equals to, on right hand side we have 14. After moving to the right hand side, 20 will become of minus sign, right? Now minus x square plus x square cancel out, right? This is 1x of plus sign, this is 5x of minus sign. Both are like terms but sign are different, so these will be subtracted. Subtract them. 5x minus 1x is 4x and sign will be of greater numeral which is minus. These are of different signs, so these will be subtracted. 20 minus 14 is 6 and sign will be of greater numeral which is negative. Now minus 4x means minus 4 multiply x. You want to find the value of x now, so move this minus 4 to the right hand side. So after moving to the right hand side, this will become in division, right? So x is equals to minus 6 divided by minus 4. Minus sign to minus sign cancel out. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. So this is 3 upon 2, which is your answer. So students, today we have discussed some questions of exercise 7a. I am also providing the PDF of this exercise. Verify your answers, and if you have problem in any question, ask me personally. In next class, we will start the next exercise. Till then, keep doing practice and be safe at your home. Thank you. Have a good day.